today we are on our way to Chateau Minuty. Chateau Minuty is a winery that we learned about actually back in Naples. One of our local restaurant wine shops had one of their rosés there, and we bought a bottle, and coincidentally we realized we were going to France and that winery was right near where we're staying here in Saint Tropez. So today, before we head on to Nice, we are going to make a stop at Chateau Minuty. I had contacted them before traveling, and they said to simply drop in and we could take a look at the winery and taste their wines, and hopefully we can buy a bottle or two. Or who knows?
Off we go.
We've arrived at Chateau Minuty, and we are going to visit the vineyard. We're passing their vineyards now, just looking at the plants. It looks like all the grapes have been harvested already. So just beautiful grape leaves. So this is the one that we have had at home. This is the Chateau Minuty 281. This one we had at a restaurant last night. Puis-je fait une vidéo de... Oui? Okay, so the 7 years,
7 years
is the prestige?
And the lightest, 2 years maximum.
Okay.
Here we are trying the Minuti Red. Ooh la la.
You look like you're slugging
Delicious.
it.
Delicious.
You're slugging it.
What?
You're slugging it.
I'm slurring?
Slugging.
Okay, just let me taste.
Save
gently.
some for me.
Taste gently.
Yes.
Here I go, taste gently. Voila.
I prefer to do it this way. I like to look at the legs. See nice big legs. There's no slugging going on here.
I know.
Very good.
That's the kind of wine that makes you want to kiss me full right on the lips. Oh yeah.
Okay, so this is the Prestige that it's This is very good. Did you try mine?
I did.
No, you didn't try mine.
Still rolling. A softer, more velvety flavor, I must say.
I think I like mine better.
Okay.
I think that I like the red that I tried better than Jeff's red. So now we have to decide. We have to decide which one we are going to buy.
And this one, aperitif, seafood, fish, moisture.
Okay, so this one that I have is this bottle, and Jeff is tasting
The Minuti Prestige.
Minuti Prestige, and now we will taste.
Well, here we are trying the Prestige, another delightful wine at the house of Minuti.
Save some for me.
That is très excellent.
Do you like it?
Whatever you're thinking about.
All right. Delicious. I like it. Now let's switch glasses.
Okay.
All right.
The perfect finish if I was having oysters. Friend Ernest Hemingway used to say, the perfect finish for having oysters would be a white wine to wash the metallic finish out of my mouth from the oysters from the Mediterranean. It's something everyone should experience. Bonjour, bon appetit.
Tu finis? Au revoir. Merci. And so after tasting the wines that we have not had before here from the Minuti Winery, we ended up buying some bottles of the one that we like best from home. This is the barrel room here at Minuti. And so a successful visit to Chateau Minuty here in the Saint Tropez area. It's just coincidence that we happen to be in this area after discovering this wine that we love all the way back home in Naples, Florida. Look at this gorgeous olive tree. I hope that when we move to France, we can have a big olive tree and figure out what to do with them so that we can have our own olive oils. And there is Jeff loading our wine in the car, getting ready to move on and head towards Nice. Hello, Minuti dog. Oh, no.
In 300 meters turn left onto Route 1. Turn left now and then turn left.
Attention, pas de pour avoir les courants sur le kilomètre des enchères qui sont.
And off we go on to our next adventure. In our next video, we will be driving off to the sparkling Côte d'Azur in the south of France. First stop will be Saint Tropez. We'll be staying at the beautiful Hotel de Paris. You won't want to miss anything, so be sure to check back soon. And if you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Just click the link below the video to subscribe. Click the bell so you don't miss any future videos. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.